Standing outside, the raindrops are still falling, but the sun also just came outside, came out to play. I watch as the clouds floating by, with giving some hope of a beautiful morning sky. I feel the wind on my skin, gently breezing by. The deck is still wet from a rain passing by. The colors of the trees are the most vibrant green, happy to breathe after the beautiful rain. Waking up, I hear the birds starting to sing. My puppy sitting next to me out in the deck, looking at me like, what's next? Sometimes I wonder what it would be if we could hear the same as the animals around us. Hearing more of the little intricacies of nature. I think we can partially when we slow down and just listen. I'm just standing here in awe and gratefulness of the morning. I am happy to be here today. I'm happy to see the raindrops in the end of the trees, especially as the sun touches the water and you see that beautiful sparkle. It's like tiny diamonds located on the trees. I could still see some flowers, which is surprising in the middle of the winter. But some like tiny little flowers, some roses and some fuchsias are still here with us. The weather's been kind of gentle, so some of the little shoots of spring flowers are still started to come up. Hopefully no harsh winter come, because they would be gone. Just taking a few steps and just breathing it all in, observing nature, looking at the sky, the trees, feeling the air on my skin. Here we are in the new year, and I'm almost half a century plus a year old. 51 years ago, I was born. I am grateful for every year, for every moment I have been able to walk on this earth. I'm grateful that I have met you, dear reader, writer, or listener. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my life. Let's hope that today and tomorrow brings us more blue skies. Let's hope that today and tomorrow brings us joy, love, and happiness and kindness into our lives. And there will be struggles, there always are. But let's hope that they pass and the sun come out and shines upon us, brings us abundance, kindness and relief from those struggles of daily life. Bring us unity and oneness with the universe around us and with each other and the animals and the plants. Let's hope that the future of humanity does not lay just in a few hands. Sending love to all. May your day be what you want them to be. Just observe, listen, and feel everything that's around you. And you will feel everything that's around me. Sending love until I see you or hear from you guys again. Gabriella signing off. May your day be joyful, beautiful, mindful, and kind. Happy New Year, everyone.